Welcome to English Trivia Games. Today's topic is prepositions on, at, in. You can pause the video if you need more time. He is currently sitting in his car. I left my phone on the table. Shakespeare was born in 1564. I'll see you on Monday morning. My friend lives on a boat. We had a great time at the party last night. I'll be back in 20 minutes. The dog is sleeping on the rug. I can see myself in the mirror. We stayed at a luxury hotel in Las Vegas. They went for a walk on a rainy day. We got stuck in an elevator for 2 hours. Look at that beautiful painting on the wall. Her signature is at the bottom of the contract. There are many islands in the Pacific Ocean. I bought this t-shirt at a discount. My grandparents live on a farm. There's a fly in my soup. I saw a dark shadow in the corner of the room. I am not very good at math. Can you see that bird on the roof? I fell asleep on the bus. Turn left at the next traffic light. You can find the information on page 394. I hate being stuck in traffic jams. He accidentally stepped on my toes. She fell in love with him at first sight. The children stood in a circle around the campfire. The suspect was seen running away on foot. The software update is currently in progress. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments below. If you pass this one, your next challenge is right here on the screen. Click it, and I'll see you there.